Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Lina. In our last video, we learned some essential daily phrases. Today, we're continuing our series with 5 more super useful English phrases for your daily life. These are phrases native speakers use all the time to sound natural. Let's jump right in. Our first phrase is, "It's up to you." This means it's your decision, or you can choose. It's used when you want to give someone the freedom to decide. Let's practice saying it together. Repeat after me. It's up to you. Here's an example. What should we have for dinner?
It's up to you.
Should we go to the park or the mall?
It's totally up to you. Simple and flexible, right? Next up, no worries. This is a very common way to say it's okay, no problem, or don't worry about it. It's very polite and used in many situations, especially in Australia and New Zealand. No worries. Check this out. Sorry I'm late.
No worries.
Thanks for your help. No worries at all. Easy peasy. Catch you later. This is a casual way to say see you later or goodbye. You can use it with friends, family, or colleagues you know well. Catch you later. Example time. I'm off to work now.
Okay, catch you later. Bye.
Catch you later. Very natural. Our fourth phrase for today is long story short. We use this when we want to tell someone the main point of a long story without all the details. It's great for summarizing. Long story short. Let's see an example. How was your trip? Well, long story short, it was amazing.
So, what happened at the meeting?
Long story short, we got the deal.
Super useful for everyday conversation. Could you do me a favor? This is a polite way to ask for help or a small request. It's more polite than just saying, "Help me." Could you do me a favor? Here's how you can use it. Hey, could you do me a favor and open the window?
Sure.
Could you do me a favor and proofread this email? No problem.
Practice using this to sound more natural and polite. So, these were 5 more essential English phrases for you. Practice them often, and you'll sound more natural in no time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more useful lessons. See you in the next video. Bye for now.